We're Adam and Joanne from InspiredTaste.net, and welcome to our kitchen.
We shared this recipe with you years ago, and we're really excited to share the video with you.
It's a meaty lasagna with beef, pork,
noodles, and cheese. That's my favorite.
Lots of cheese. It's completely over the top, and we love it.
Get ready to get hungry. Let's go do it.
The first thing you need to know is that we make our own sauce. We highly recommend it, but if you are short on time, use store-bought. There's tips for how in the recipe. Start by browning your meat. We're using lean ground beef and pork sausage. Just use a spoon to break it up as it browns so you have small crumbles. Next, add onions and carrots, then cook until softened. See how the bottom of the pot looks brown? That's okay. We will deal with that soon. In goes some garlic, basil, oregano, and tomato paste. Stir it, then when the tomato paste turns from red to orange, add some water. Here's where we deal with the bottom of the pot. Use a spoon to scrape up the stuck bits at the bottom. See how easily it comes up and helps to make a sauce? Add 2 large cans of tomatoes, then stir. Taste the sauce, then add salt and/or sugar to your tastes. We rarely add sugar, but if the tomatoes are too acidic, it can help balance them out a bit. After an hour and a half of cooking at a low simmer, the sauce is done.
We're using traditional lasagna noodles, but no boil noodles also work. For the cheesy layer, we use 3 cheeses: stir ricotta cheese with an egg and Parmesan cheese. Then grate mozzarella and keep nearby for later. It's time to assemble. Start with some sauce on the bottom of a large dish, add a layer of noodles, spread on half of the ricotta, sprinkle some mozzarella, then top with some of the sauce. Then add another layer of noodles and repeat. To finish, add one more layer of noodles, add a layer of sauce, and finish with mozzarella. Cover the dish with foil, then bake for 30 minutes. Uncover the dish, then bake another 20 minutes or until the sauce and cheese are bubbling and browned around the edges. By the way, you'll have leftover sauce, just enough to toss with spaghetti another day. And that's it, our completely over-the-top, absolutely delicious beef and sausage lasagna. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. If you love this video, we have lots more. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and say hi on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. We're at Inspired Taste.